Welcome to math class. This is a instrument from Central America that I found at a music store that was closing out. I think these are nails, like horse toenails. They make a great rattle sound. Okay, come to math class. If you are from room 206, please write the number 100 in the air. 100 is connected to our graph today. If you are from room 102, please write the number 100 in the air. If you are from room 103, please write the number 100 in the air. If you are from room 104, please write 100 in the air. If you are from room 171, please write 100 in the air. Time for math. Welcome, mathematicians. Okay, we continue with our data, measurement and data. You have 3 tasks today. The first one is continuing the idea of graphing, where you ask people the question and then fill in the amounts or the messages or the information. The question today is, what would you want 100 of? Would you like 100 cookies? 100 frogs? 100 books? 100 balls? 100 dogs? 100 friends? Or 100 teddy bears, or something else. The other is always something else that's not included on the graph. Columns go up and down, rows go sideways. And so, finding people to ask in your family or other friends and neighbors, could be on your porch and call to your next door neighbor, "Hi, I have today's question for you. Could you tell me, what would you want 100 of? Cookies? Frogs? Books, balls, dogs, friends, teddy bears, or something else. And then, again, you can color in each box. The easiest way is if you color the box for each time someone says that category. Continuing with the same idea, we have that graph and then 2 other graphs to look at where you can interpret the data. And you can look at the data in the graph, counting the boxes, counting them a second time, because math people check their work. Look for kindergarten words, underlining with red, and then asking someone to read the questions for you. This graph is, I love my pet. And people were asked, what's their favorite pet? Hamster, dog, or cat? Count them up because you know you'll need that later. And then first question, how many children chose cats? And you count, or you can look at the bottom and find the numbers that tell you, and then write that number in the line, on the line, right after the question. And there's 7 questions. You can do them at the same time, or you can do a little bit each over some time during the day. Now this graph introduces something new, old, old, new. Tally marks. So instead of having colored boxes, this graph has tally marks to tell you the amount. Another way of taking data or information. This is garden flowers. Someone counted the daisies in a garden and used tally marks to show every time they saw one daisy, they put tally mark. There are daisies and tulips. Name and date on the paper. Red kindergarten words. And then asking someone to help you read the questions. 3 graphs, one that you ask, What would you want 100 of? I love my pet. Or garden flowers. So this question, for example, how many tulips are in the garden? Count your tally marks and put it there. Happy graphing!